President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden attended a dignified transfer to honor the 3 American service members killed in that drone strike in Jordan on Sunday. And today, their remains return to U.S. soil in flag-draped transfer cases. The President and First Lady also meeting today in private with the families of those fallen soldiers. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, President Joe Biden, the First Lady, and top military officials joined grieving families at Dover Air Force Base in Delaware. The service members killed Sunday were all from Georgia. Earlier, President Biden called the 3 U.S. Army Reserve soldiers unwavering in their bravery and unflinching in their duty.
At Dover Air Force Base, 3 American soldiers killed in action in the Middle East come home to their final resting place. President Joe Biden did not speak at the transfer, but at Thursday's National Prayer Breakfast at the Capitol, he spoke their names and honored their military service.
Our prayers continue to be with the families of the 3 American servicemen killed and attacked in the FOB in Jordan. Sergeant William Rivers, Specialist Breonna Moffett, and Specialist Kennedy Sanders.
The 3 came from different corners of Georgia, but were brought together in the same company of Army engineers. Rivers, 46 years old, served a 9-month tour in Iraq in 2018. Moffett, just 23, also worked for a home care provider cooking, cleaning, and running errands for people with disabilities. And Sanders, just 24 years old, worked at a pharmacy while starting to become an X-ray technician and coached children's soccer and basketball. The president said they risked it all.
And we'll never forget the sacrifices and service to our country, that the dozens of service members who were wounded and are recovering now.
More than 40 troops were injured in the drone attack at Tower 22, a secretive U.S. military desert outpost whose location allows U.S. forces to infiltrate and quietly leave Syria. And earlier this week, the parents of Kennedy Sanders remembered their daughter, calling her a free spirit, her personality contagious, always laughing and smiling.
So I just want people to remember that, even though her time was short on earth, she lived her life to the fullest and she enjoyed her life. In any situation that she was in, she made it enjoyable. Even being deployed, she found different things to do to pass her time.
Now, Sanders and Moffett were both posthumously promoted to sergeant rank. And also tonight, the U.S. has bolstered the defenses in place to protect the 350 troops at that base in Jordan that was attacked earlier this week by Iran-backed militants. And the enemy drone, by the way, was fired from Iraq. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.